Hey guys, it's Kimberly and my phone just died. It's not technically charging, but it just quit for some reason that really bothered me. So yeah, I think there's too much storage. And this is going to be Slime vs. Slime Part 2. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the alien goo. This is the flarp. And this came within, the alien goo came with a alien. I'm going to do this really fast because, you know. So what we were doing is who blows the best bubble. So let's get started. Here's the flarp. And this technically, I don't know if it's cheating, but it came with the other slime. So I don't know if it's cheating, but we're gonna do it. So, okay. Oh gosh. I don't know if this will be short or long video. Hopefully it doesn't quit like it did. Yep. Or that's like bubblegum. That's like bubblegum. I was saying in my other video. But here's the alien goo. Let's stick it in. I don't know if it's cheating, but this one blows big bubbles. So this, okay, let's try again. This is so bubbly. Jeez, that pops. Okay. Okay. As you can see, we're gonna do that again. I don't know what the camera tricks, because I'm just a heap. I might have, but to be exact, but Jesus. That does not work. Of course it doesn't work now, but okay. This is making me so mad. I think we know who won. Comment down below, who do you think won? I think the alien goo keeps winning. But we'll deal with it. So okay. Yeah.
I come down here for a specific reason.
That was my grandpa. Yeah. That was so cringy. That was so cringy. I'm so sorry for that interruption. We will see who smells the best. I'm just doing this so this can get a point, but it smells like strawberries. Okay. The alien goo. And I forgot to tell you, when I bought this is my second one of these. It's the same one. But I bought one and I kept it in the container and it got mold on it. On the slime, it was like fuzzy and stuff, so I threw it away and I got a new one today. Yeah. So, and the alien goo smells like nothing. So we're gonna turn off the lights and, we're gonna, it says this glows in the dark, but we're gonna do that at the end. So yeah, and the other one I'm gonna make another with Play-Doh and like I'll find something. I don't know if I'll make it, but I just wanted to say that. So yeah, what else? I'm just freestyling this. So I'm gonna see which one is more bouncy. So here's the floor. No, can I bounce it? Sorry. Okay. Sorry, I can't see that. Here's the floor. I'm so sorry if you can't see that. But pretty bouncy. It's not that bouncy, but I don't know if you got that footage. Here. Yeah, that was that. And we're gonna do this because my phone is about to die. So, yeah, here it is. Okay. Oop, I didn't know this was bouncy. No. Jeez, I thought the other one would win, but maybe this one will too. Oh, I think we know who won. I think the alien goo. Comment down below who you think won. So, we're gonna test this out and see if it really glows. Because I'm gonna be really disappointed if it doesn't. Because I'll say that if it doesn't. And this one is not gonna be a competition, but we're just gonna try them both out. So yeah. Oh, I don't know if they're talking about this or this. Yeah, they're talking about the alien. Yeah, but the alien, you can see that glows. But this slime, if you can see that, it doesn't. So, yeah, so I didn't know the alien was supposed to glow. So, yeah, the alien glows. Ew, that sounds like rabbit. Okay. This does not glow whatsoever. So starchy. Okay. We're gonna see if this one is. I'm pretty sure it's not, but we're just gonna try. It's not all the way off, but as you can see, we're gonna go in the more darker area. Yeah, that's not glowing whatsoever. Yeah. I'm gonna turn on the lights because this is really freaking me out. Okay. We're gonna see which one like curls like cupcake frosting. So, okay. I don't know how we're gonna do this, but as you can see, I'm stretching it so far. I don't know what to do. Okay. But we're gonna curl it up. We're gonna do that. I hope you can got this footage. I really do, but yeah, you can see. Yeah, there it is. It looks so weird. Jeez, y'all. So not adding. Oh, that was upside down crap. Oh, sorry. This one can't do it because it's not stretchy. So, oh, that's freezing. Okay. So, bye guys. Comment, subscribe, and like. Bye.